And welcome back everybody into another daily recap. Today it's Wednesday the 13th of March, and as always we're going to have a look at gold, GJ and GBPUSD, what happened today throughout the both sessions of New York and London. So today I came out a little later to the chart for the London session, so I didn't take any trade. I was just looking at this possible trade idea, but afterwards we can see that this on GJ would have gone around 13 pips, but you can see that depending on where the limit was placed, probably would not be triggered even with the due to the spread. After that, this same position, there was some sort of volatility increase, but after that, yeah, this old position held pretty well and grab liquidity to then make new higher highs and higher lows. This is one sort of a situation where buy stop can be placed, maybe even better above these highs. You can see that, I mean, yes, we can see if we use this PSA, price is slowly breaking and retesting, giving it this possible opportunity. But if we were adapting and changing and seeing, okay, what is the last high, that would be this. Unlucky because the price would not actually retest the area, but would push a little bit higher and then continue up. It will retest actually an hourly PSA, this yes, to give us a push throughout the London session, and we're going to see it how this whole move also was seen on GBPUSD, a sign that this was not due to the USD weakness, but was due to the GBP strength. But after that, I was not really looking too much at GBPJPY. I was looking at, I mean, I saw this price action moving, but I was not really looking at anything specifically. And yeah, we can see that we could have had this possible reaction, but there was no, this possible trade idea, but there was no retest of this area. Price just went down. Apart from that, price ranged. Now let's go into GBPUSD. GBPUSD, as I was saying, this is the start of the London session. Price was pushing down. This one would have been a nice retest, but it was not exactly at the PSA. We can have a look later at this one on the 20-tick chart, because maybe this one is a bullish candle. Maybe there's a retest of something. One thing that I saw later afterwards was this nice breakout. So, okay, we have the correction, we have a break and retest of this PSA, which is basically the same one, and is going to be used even later, which will give us a very nice 30 pips move. After that, further correction, and this one is the one that I actually saw, and I was I said, okay, now I see that this PSA price is breaking below, price might retest either the hourly, these lows, or these highs. Even if you just retested these lows, yeah, it will only be around 1.5 pips. So you can see that the candle closed there, it will be activated, of course, will push up 1.6 and then simply push down for around 10 pips. So absolutely a win. And after that, a further correction. There would have been this entry over here from, I think, yeah, more than 15 pips. And then I had this possible trade idea, this more of intuition one, when the price was actually breaking and retesting these highs, but also these ones. You can see that it's both the old one and the most recent one, and this one will give just a minor drawdown, and then it will go around 9 pips, so will be a win. And after that, as I was saying, I was not really looking at GBPUSD, and we're going to see why. Yeah, price was starting to range as it happened on GBPUSD. Now let's go GBPY. Let's go on gold. Gold throughout the London session, as always, I don't really like to look at it. Later on, we would have some sort of price action, but no real confirmation. When I saw, this is something that I did, and I can show you. Let me just remove the one from yesterday. Okay. Okay, so when I saw this bullish price action, that's where I actually placed a buy limit at this area, at these candle bodies. I didn't want to place it over here because I said, no, it's too, I already did once and it was a mistake, because on the 1 minute, it does not make sense to have a retest just there. So I had a buy limit over here, but I cancelled and I said, okay, I will just, because also was lunchtime, so I was not going to be at the chart. Let me just place this and say, okay, this was my third idea. When I come back, let's see how it went. Boom. You can see our price went exactly to this area, exactly. Minimal drawdown, a little bit of retest, yes, but after that, this was 20 pips. So you can see how, yeah, this idea worked out. We'll go more than, from here, we'll go around 45 pips, yes, because price will push up 27 pips, push down, but not at break even, and then push at 45 pips. So it will be a full win, yes. But yeah, what I did was actually when I came back to the chart, I took advantage of this further trade break and retest. So let me just do this. Okay, so based, I don't remember if it was based on a 20-tick chart or what. I think it was more based, yeah, was based on the 1 minute simply. And you can see that I don't know where it was. Anyway, we can see simply the price action. So price is bullish. We are breaking above this area. Overall, this is an area that got retested multiple times, but most recently was this area. So when I saw this 1 minute candle being that bullish, I actually placed it before the candle close. I placed a buy limit over here. Price made up, down. I was not looking at it. I just placed it and I placed my rules. Price will go 14 pips, draw down 5 pips, and then it will push to my 20 pip partial TP. And as you can see over here, bam, this is my winning trade. What have I done? I think it was the, I don't know what I've done. I think it was the another time frame. No, it was maybe the symbol. I don't know what I've done. Yeah, it was something like this. Okay. Anyway, yeah. So when I saw the price went 20 pips, stop loss at break even, and you can see that I would be then stopped out at break even. Absolutely no issue. After that, price would another once again retest my same area. You can see on the dot, pump, and then push up further. I was not really monitoring in real time. We had some spike in volatility over here, so that's where actually maybe there was some entry. We're going to look at it on the 20-tick chart, but okay. Also, I was trying to after this reaction, I said, okay, this is the PSA of interest, but more for the sort of bearish side. So if we break below, then I will guess that, not from the buy at this area perspective, but it indeed worked out fine. And after that, yeah, price will push up and breaking above here. This one will be a possible loss, but if then adapted, maybe there was, for example, this one would have been a very nice entry at the breakout of this area, retest, and yeah, that's a 45 pips win. So that will be a full win just 30 minutes ago. So anyway, I want to look at here. First, I want to have a look at GBPUSD. I said that I wanted to look on the 20-tick chart to this old, okay, this one. And this one will be a sketchy because probably on the 20-tick chart we use the candle bodies. So might have been a very good entry, might have a very aggressive but good, because you can see that how these candle bodies and these candle bodies match. and the retest is exactly there. So from there, I think yes, that would have been a very nice entry. We'll go from there. Yeah, around 11, 12 pips. Yeah, this one would have been a nice entry as it is by looking it on the 20 tick chart. Okay. And now let's move into gold. I want to look over here, so let's mark it up. Okay, 20 tick chart. Let's see what do we have over here as a possible entry. So we have these eyes on the left hand side, so candle bodies, as I said. We have a candle breaking above, but then retest. So quite sketchy. I mean, quite difficult to enter because this candle is not closing right. So I don't know if you are using the candle bodies. Yes, this is a good entry. Price would then push up and go straight up, yeah, around 50 pips from there. But I don't. It's quite messy. You can see how this is not super clean with these kind of bodies. With this one, super aggressive. So where do you place it? Your PSA. But if you're just looking at this, then the PSA is actually perfect because you have, when you see these candle bodies, then you have this, only just this drawdown of around 4 pips. And if I actually have a hour line, because yeah, this is 245, 235. Yeah, so it's this candle. This one on the 1 minute is actually very, very sketchy. So unless I really took it when the price was up, and the 1 minute was not closed, then it would get activated over at the candle close and then push up. Would be quite risky, I would say. And yeah, look at this. This was very clean. This one not much. Still possibly a win, but yeah, this one was actually very, very clean entry. Bam, bam, bam. Super. And over here, I don't have the seconds. I would love to. I don't know if I have any the seconds. Ticks, pips. Yeah, 200 ticks. I don't have seconds. I would love to know what. So the new candles is starting here. So yeah, probably the last part of the candle was actually doing that. 60 tick chart. Yeah, 60 tick chart would have closed. The premium would have closed there. And then just a push down before pushing up. But yeah, this is just being very nerdy. Look at how clean. This is very clean. Very, very clean. Just being nerdy, but that's what we love. And yeah, so overall profitable day, not much, but still a profitable day. 10 perfect. You can ask for more, and yeah, break even and a partial win, and that's it, guys. I will see you tomorrow for Thursday, the 14th of March. See you guys tomorrow.